Hello, everyone. My name is Teacher Sean. Welcome to Game Design with Roblox. In this class, we use Roblox Studio and the Lua coding language to create amazing Roblox games that you can play with your friends and family. We start out with the basics, like adding objects and parts to your game. Then we move on to scripting. And we use a method of coding called object-oriented programming in Lua that allows you to do things like change properties of parts. So when you jump on a part, it might fall, or if you touch a part, it might change colors. We add effects to our games like explosions, fire, and smoke. We learn how to code parts to spin and shift and move so your player has to time their jumps perfectly in your game. We even cover humanoid properties where you can actually change a player's health or change their jump ability or their speed. So you can make a part take away health, or you can give a power up where a player gains some kind of advantage in the game, like an extra jump boost. Overall, we use functions, events, and objects to create really challenging and fun games. One additional thing, we also cover checkpoints where you can actually save your player's progress throughout the game. We also focus on making sure students understand the concepts, the coding concepts we're learning, so that students can move on to more advanced coding and on to more advanced Roblox games, creating more advanced Roblox games. This class is great for students that are beginning to use Roblox Studio. They're just learning how to code and create games. If your child has done this for many years or has a lot of experience in Roblox Studio, this class might be too easy. This is a beginner class. All right. Hope to see you in class. Bye, everybody.